Hey, what up, though? This is Major Kali, and I'm gonna tell y'all and show y'all how much that I make off this like 3 to 4 days being monetized on YouTube, and what been bringing in money, what had not bringing money in different RPMs. All right, this the last 7 days. Y'all see, I got 122 views, 1.5K watch hours, and unique viewers. 53. Now, let's go to revenue. I made $5.90. It's still updating. It updates every 2 days. Like my watch page only got 78 cents, but my shorts feed, I made $5.12. Now, content, that. Now, see, this made me 25 cents. I got 25 cents on this video. This is short. Now look at the RPM. For every 1,000 views, I get 22 cents. Now, they only gave me my 25 cents for the 1,000, which I got 9,000 views. So I should have about $1 or so, somewhere near $1 or $2, like near. But that's how much you get paid. Now, I ain't gonna lie, but once you start making money from your shorts and videos, it's good money. Now let me show y'all this videos. Now if I get 1,000 views off this video, this a police brutality video that I had react to. I got 61 views, 0.6 watch hours, 1 subscriber wrote that, and made about 14 cents in revenue. Now, let me show y'all this RPM. Now look at this. How much advertisers gonna pay? $29 every 1,000 views. But right here, every 1,000 views, they gonna give me $5 of that. That's not bad though. So I just gotta turn this video up, or y'all could turn this video up for me, please. But that's what it is.